Math is a wonderful thing. Math is a really cool thing. So get off your act, let's do some math. Math, 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 math.
Welcome to my third grade unit plan on fractions. This unit was designed to cover Common Core standards, helping students develop an understanding of fractions as numbers, and being able to communicate that knowledge with written and spoken language. Technology standards will also be covered in the categories of creativity, innovation, citizenship, concepts, communication, and collaboration. The lessons in this 2-week unit plan provide a variety of activities that encourage and introduce more rigorous learning. At the different depths of knowledge, students will be recalling facts or information, completing tasks that require new skills and mental steps, using planning and evidence to think more abstractly, and transferring their newfound knowledge from one domain to solve problems in another. This video explores Howard Gardner's 8 Multiple Intelligences and how the specific unit caters to the minds of our students to unwrap their creativity and explore their strengths. The lessons provide content to be taught in a variety of ways so that students have equal access to the knowledge and can build on the intelligences that need more practice. Verbal linguistic learners enjoy activities that involve both the written and spoken word. They will thrive during class discussions about fractions and enjoy recording in their journals as well as completing worksheets tied to various projects throughout the unit. The Storyboard app used in the final project will allow these students to creatively express what they've learned. Logical mathematical learners have hit the jackpot with this unit. These learners enjoy using their brain for reasoning and are able to recognize patterns and connections between content easily. Don't be surprised if these learners are the first to volunteer for the Fraction Monkeys app, where they can showcase their matching skills. Visual spatial learners can have strong artistic talents and learn best through visualizing what they are learning. Fractions can be so incredibly challenging for a visual learner if they're not given visuals or models to back up what they're learning. The kite project will be a lot of fun for them to design their own kite and display it in the classroom. These learners will also benefit from the hand-to-mind virtual manipulatives that will be displayed on the smartboard for them to follow along as they learn how to graph fractions on a number line. Bodily-Kinesthetic learners use their body and sense of touch to learn about the world around them. Fraction tower cubes and math manipulatives are great tools to keep these learners engaged. They will also enjoy fraction hopscotch, math games outside, folding paper strips to represent different fractions, and the computer games that require them to click and point.
Oh, that, yeah. We were singing, and we were learning. We were learning in sing-song.
Huh. One of your methods?
Yeah. I find that it's really helpful when you're teaching the subjects that are the boring subjects.
Auditory musical learners like to work with sound and music and can typically sing or play an instrument. Finding ways to incorporate music into a lesson plan can be difficult. For this unit, students are provided headphones and the app Spotify to listen to music while they work independently. They are also given the option to create a song using GarageBand to demonstrate understanding for their final assignment. Interpersonal learners are usually your social butterflies. This unit is filled with group work and activities where they will enjoy working alongside their classmates. They will love making their group matching game as they collaboratively create a fraction quiz for others to take. These learners will also enjoy using the DocuCam to volunteer and demonstrate different concepts of math. Intrapersonal learners are more private and introspective, preferring to work independently. They will enjoy different assignments that allow them to create their own KWL charts, journal their thoughts, and complete projects on their own. These learners will have fun using QR codes to choose their own game and practicing their fractions on different apps with their iPad. Naturalist learners love to be outside. They will learn best through the activities that allow them to get some fresh air, like the fraction hopscotch mentioned earlier. They will also be fond of collecting sticks and then using them to demonstrate a fraction model. Finding ways to incorporate activities for naturalist learners can be difficult, so don't be afraid to ask your students for tips. Completing this course in educational technology has helped me recognize that there are so many resources available to meet the unique needs of our students. Once we identify how our students learn best, we can provide them with activities that play on their strengths and even build up their weaknesses. Learning fractions can be challenging for our learners who are not logical, but through collaboration and creativity, we can give students a chance to absorb material in a different way than it has already been presented to them.
Nailed it! And 54 is a 45 more than what is the answer, Marta?
9.
No, it's 8.
No, it's not.
Yes, I was testing you. It's 9, and that's a magic number.